how to turn on or turn off Apple Music animated cover art on iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on Music. Then we scroll down and tap on Animated Art. In here, you can select on when you are on Wi-Fi only, or off. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now say that playlist, album, artist pages and other animated cover art will play automatically if we select it on. And it said playlist and other pages and other animated cover art will not play if your device has low battery or poor network connections. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.